This is a modern 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom ocean view penthouse in Sosua and could be the perfect Caribbean getaway property. This home is very spacious with a full kitchen and an open floor plan. The master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with beautiful Caribbean views, and the second bedroom is also ensuite. This unit is located inside a condominium project within an excellent beachfront gated community. Amenities include a large swimming pool, 24-hour security, and more. The community is only a few minutes' drive from the beach. Contact us for more information today. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.